Hi there, here's how you can lock your Facebook profile. So here's the easy steps to do it. First of all, search for facebook.com, then click on profile icon, then go into settings, click on settings, then scroll down the settings. Is the option profile locking, click on it. So here's the option, click on lock your profile. So your profile is locked. Here's you have Here's how you can make your profile private, unaccessible to every search, that is for your Facebook accessing or by your any of the unwanted person who want to search you. He will